how to play Minecraft Story Mode. Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to play Minecraft Story Mode. Alright, so let's begin. Now, if you weren't already aware, Minecraft Story Mode is actually an adventure-based game based on the popular open-world sandbox Minecraft. However, unlike the original Minecraft, which offers unlimited creative freedom, Story Mode focuses on a narrative-driven experience. Now, if you weren't already aware, the Minecraft Story Mode has actually been discontinued. And as you can see here, I'm on Steam's website, and if we head over to the store page, we will be able to see this error message which says there is no longer available on the Steam store. So how do we actually go about playing Minecraft Story Mode? Now, the only way in which we're going to be able to play Minecraft Story Mode is actually by buying a physical CD and playing on either our Xbox or on our PlayStation. Since they've got rid of all the digital downloads, that means that we will have to buy it via a disc. And as you can see, they only offer this on the Xbox and PlayStation. So if you don't have one of those, unfortunately, you're not going to be able to play this. However, if you do have one of those, we can go over to eBay or some sort of website like that, and we'll then be able to find a physical disc of Minecraft Story Mode, and we can simply buy it. And then once it gets delivered to our house, we can put it in our console, and we will then be able to play Minecraft Story Mode. As I mentioned earlier, if you don't have any of these consoles, it's going to be impossible to play this game, which is probably not what you wanted to hear. But unfortunately, this is the only way in which you can be able to get Minecraft Story Mode. So that's basically how you can play Minecraft Story Mode. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.